Cube root of 64 equals? Answer is 4. Cube root of 125 equals? Answer is 5. Find the missing term. 11, 21, 41. Answer is 31. What is the common ratio? 1, 4, 16, 64? Answer is 4. Cube root of 27 equals? Answer is 3. Cube root of 216 equals? Answer is 6. Log 2, 128, equals? Answer is 7. Find the next term. 3, 12, 48, 192? Answer is 768. Log 2, 16, equals? Answer is 4. What is the common difference? 15, 22, 29, 36? Answer is 7. Log 2, 32, equals? Answer is 5. What is the common difference? 13, 15, 17, 19? Answer is 2. First term equals 6. Difference equals 5. Find term 11. Answer is 56. Cube root of 1000 equals? Answer is 10. Log 10 equals? Answer is 1.